Great books are born out of great minds by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Pronunciation practice part 2. Responsibility, acquisition, continuous, authors, central, divine, souls, measurable, accident, alternative, calculated, thereby, original, observation, unfold, alternate, soldiers, beholder, creating, platform, version, autonomous, remain, content as noun, content as verb, strikes, individuals, works, biographies, authentic, mentally, games, masses, theories, organization, require, respond, darker, adaptation, focus, difficult, teleport, vulnerable, complex, conveying, ourselves, fantasies, media, behaviors, sailors, aesthetic, admiration, intellectual, continuously, nation, conspiracy, bestow, trajectory, societal, solutions, abridged, multiplying, awesome, sin, epics, magical, altered, phenomenon, astronauts, important, deterred, collaboration, networked, navigate, spin, mighty. Thank you.